Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna cook a nice special omelette. Best ingredient of this omelette is green peas. If you have them frozen, just put them in a bit of water and they will be defrosted until you need them. Some nice tomatoes, as soft as possible. Remove this middle part. It's nice to remove it so they're more soft, and also usually that part is green. Just cut the tomatoes how you like.
Nice. This is better.
Use some sausages if you have. These are beef sausages, and try to use sausages that are not expired. Really try as much as possible not to use expired sausages. I think these ones were pretty close to being expired, so yeah, I would have to fry them a bit more. So beef sausages, they're pretty nice, these ones, but if you don't like sausages, it's really fine. You just add whatever you have in your fridge and whatever you like to have in omelette. For example, some mozzarella slice would be nice. It even rhymes. So 1 or 2 slices of mozzarella would be pretty nice for the omelette. Again, you chop this cheese, whatever cheese you have, or if you don't want cheese, don't add cheese. You chop it however you like. Put some butter or oil. I put just sunflower oil. And first we start with the heavy stuff, sausage. Yeah, I decided as a last minute change to add pepper also. Paprika, you call it bell pepper. So I put the sausages, fry them a bit seriously there. Yeah, try not to stick them to the pan for sure. And this is just cleaning up the pepper. This pepper is pretty nice. If you don't like pepper, just don't add pepper. You could add onions if you like, they're pretty nice too. You could add garlic too, that's pretty nice to add it after the meat now, after the sausage. Yeah, sausages are getting cooked. Now it's time to add the green peas and the rest of the vegetables. Just put everything in there. It's nice if it doesn't stick to the pan, but okay, for me it doesn't really matter so much if it sticks a bit. It's the cheese here, it started to melt and burn a bit, but it's pretty good, pretty nice. So I just stir it up a little bit. And it's if you have a piece of cheese like this, you can just eat it. It's nice to eat it now. So now you can put the eggs in there and you have an omelette, kind of. Not really omelette, it's more like eggs with vegetables and meat. It's pretty nice. If you wanna try this, try it, let me know how you like it. Also, this is a completely flexible recipe. You can use whatever you like, whatever you have in your fridge. Anything really works, anything that you like, anything you enjoy. Leave it for 2 or 3 minutes like this with the lid on. 2 or 3 minutes maximum. and then it's nice. Give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to see more recipes like this. If you want to see more recipes, let me know in the comments below also. This is not some fancy recipe, it's just something really quick to make that really is pretty tasty, and it's good to eat it, especially if the sausages are not expired, which they were not in this case. Yeah, so now I'm just putting it on a plate nicely. You see, I'm even arranging it a little bit so it looks nice, and it's ready to eat. Thumbs up, thumbs up. It works pretty well with hot chili sauce, if you like hot chili sauce. If you don't like hot chili sauce, don't use hot chili sauce. Use some other kind of sauce or no sauce. It's pretty nice without. Yeah, this is pretty good, I have to say. And yeah, I was taking it. I'm gonna eat this and the sauce. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you did this and what kind of omelette you like to make. This is more like scrambled eggs with meat, sausage and vegetables. Let me know how you like this, or how you like your favorite omelette. What's your favorite omelette or scrambled eggs recipe? Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.